7 months ago, we bought this house and took on the challenge to transform it into the best HMO in the Northeast. We stripped it back to brick, spent $160,000 on the renovation, and we are finally on the decoration stage. We are spending extra during this decoration stage, and we are making sure that our HMO is gonna stand out with its high quality finishes, and we are breaking the stereotypes of a cheap and basic HMOs. So if you want to learn how we are maximizing this property value in its final stages, make sure to stick around. Hi, I'm Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. Last year we bought 3 large properties and we are converting them into a large HMOs. This year we're doubling down on our goal and we're gonna buy 6 properties. We're gonna try new strategies and we're gonna document the whole journey on this YouTube channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for a ride. We are on the 7th month of renovations and it took us longer than we expected. There was a lot of challenges, but we learned problem solving on the spot. We learned how to manage contractors and make tough decisions under the pressure. And finally, we are in the decoration stage when vision comes to life. So now let me show you around, and this time we are starting in a loft. 7 months ago, this was just an empty, dark space, and we created a loft conversion and we added 3 large rooms with the en-suites. And right now, this room has been fully painted, the floor's been laid out, and the skirting boards are being installed. This is gonna be one of the nicest rooms in the whole property. As well, all the bathrooms in the loft has been fully tiled. Let me show you around. So this is one of the off-suites, as well as being fully tiled, and it's ready for the second fix. This is another bedroom. The property is being fully painted now, and all the furnitures are getting installed. As well, if you notice, there is no doors in the house yet. We hung the doors before, but what happened? Our contractors decided to paint our black hinges white. So obviously we have to replace them right now, and they removed all the doors and they're gonna be hanging the doors soon. So this is the last room in the loft, and this is one of the 2 bedrooms in the house that it's gonna have off-suite. Now let me take you to the first floor. As you can see, all the balustrades has been installed and now they're starting painting it. All the door frames are in. They just need to hang the door with the new hinges. And this whole first floor has been fully painted, all the walls, all the ceilings. And they're starting to lay plywood here for the new flooring. They start tiling already in each of the bedrooms. Let me show you this bedroom. Same here, it's been fully painted. This house now only needs a really deep clean. We as well ordered all the blinds for all the rooms. And here in the hallway, we're gonna have carpets and on the staircase, but they will go in as a last. Then here we have the off-suite. It's been fully tiled and ready for the second fix. Now let me show you the last bedroom on this floor. This bedroom has been as well fully painted. The tiles are going in. They're starting to build the furniture, and obviously still needs skirting boards. But now let me take you to the ground floor where something really exciting has been happening last week. And now we are on the ground floor. This is where we have the 2 largest bedrooms in the house. It's been fully painted as well. We have a lot of furniture ready to go into the rooms. Bathrooms still needs to be fully tiled and the floors needs to be installed here. But these 2 rooms will see the progress as a last because we're working top to bottom. So first they're finishing the top floors and then they're gonna finish this 2 rooms with the flooring and tiling. And here as well, we just have a bunch of furniture. Now let me take you to the kitchen. And kitchen had the most exciting progress last week, as we have a brand new kitchen installed, and it's still messy, it still needs a good clean, and we still need to install the backsplash, but it's finally in and it's really start to look like home. And as you can see, we're gonna have a really generous size kitchen. It looks absolutely beautiful. We are super happy with the design. And here we're gonna have our lounge snug room. So we're gonna have a large dining table, a nice TV on the wall, and a sofa where the tenants can enjoy the free time. So we are not only ticking the boxes, we are investing extra to make sure that our HMO is absolutely the best on the market. And we want our properties to stand out and be that kind of a places where the tenants wants to really live in. And we want to set out the new standards for the HMOs in the Northeast. We are expecting that in the next 3 weeks, the renovation will be done. The house will be fully furnished and ready for the tenants to move in. And it's been a long road, but seeing the final result makes it worth it. And we are just getting started. This year, we are going bigger and stronger. And if you would like to see how this property looked like once we purchased it, make sure to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.